Hey there, Bixby developers. Today, I wanted to provide a quick introduction for getting started with SSML in Bixby. SSML is an acronym for Speech Synthesis Markup Language. SSML is an easy and effective way to create more engaging dialogue for your users, and it's a lot of fun to use. To get started with SSML in Bixby, you need to wrap what you want to use SSML with a speak tag. Then, you want to add your SSML. Once your SSML is ready, simply put it into the speech key and also provide an alternate display string so the user doesn't have to look at the SSML. Let's take a look at this example in action. Here we can see the opening speak tag as well as the closing speak tag, and we also have the sub tag, which we can use here to pronounce SSML as Speech Synthesis Markup Language, so providing basically an alternative pronunciation for this acronym. And here we're returning the SSML as well as the display string version, so that way the user doesn't have to see all the SSML tags. Going over to the view file where we have the dialog here, we can see that in the template we have the display string, and then in the speech we have the SSML. This way what's read to the user in the speech key will be the SSML that we created in the JavaScript from before. Let's run it and see how it goes.
Hello. I hope you find speech synthesis markup language useful.
Let's see another example where I utilize more features from SSML.
Have you heard the story of the hare and the tortoise? Well, it went something like this. The hare fell asleep during a race against the tortoise, and the tortoise beat the hare in that race.
That's ridiculous. There's no way a fellow hare could lose to a slow tortoise,
Said Gretchen the hare. Turt the tortoise retorts.
Oh, how about I race you home?
You're on. Eat my dust, slowpoke.
Gretchen bolts off into the sunset. Meanwhile, Turt tucks himself into his shell.
Looks like I win again.
By utilizing SSML, we're able to add a lot of extra character to our dialogue, and hopefully this example demonstrates just a little bit of what you can do with SSML. Here are some of the tags available for you to use. Prosody is used to adjust volume, speed, and pitch. Lang is for using alternative voices to the voice that the user already has Bixby set to. Say As is great for handling certain situations, like if you want Bixby to spell out a word or say a number a specific way. Sub provides an alternative pronunciation, which is very useful for acronyms and the like. The S, P, and break tags are great for adding pauses inside your TTS. And finally, audio is great for adding an MP3 clip. Now, if you're wondering where you can find more learning resources for this, be sure to check out bixbydevelopers.com and simply search for SSML in the search bar. You'll be brought to this page, which has examples of all the tags and more. The sample capsule that I demonstrated in this video will also be available at the GitHub repo in the description below. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you plan to do with SSML and Bixby. And as always, I look forward to seeing what you do next with Bixby.